Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to transfer money from Cash App to bank account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Cash App application. Once you're on the app, make sure you log into your account. And once you log in, first of all, you need to have a bank account in your Cash App. To do so, tap on your profile at the top right corner and now scroll a bit down. Then you will see this option Linked Banks. Tap on it. Then tap on Link Debit Card option. After you do that, enter your debit card information in this page and then tap on this Link Card button. Once you do so, go back to your home page. Now tap on this icon at the bottom left corner and then you'll see this button Cash Out. Tap on it. I cannot press on this button because I don't have any balance, but if you have balance in your account, you can tap on this button. Once you tap on it, it will give you an option to select the amount that you want to transfer. Once you select the amount, it will give you to choose your bank account. Select your bank account from the list. Once you select your bank, it will give you another option to select either instant transfer or slower transfer. If you select instant, it will cost you a bit more, and if you select the slower option, you will be charged less. The choice is yours, and once you select the method, the transfer will take place. Once the transfer is completed, you will be notified. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.